Facebook page name change is very easy. Just follow these few steps and you'll change your page name in seconds. First, open your Facebook page. Click on the top right corner and go to Menu. Scroll down a little and tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down again and tap Page Setup. Inside Page Setup, tap on Name. Now tap Edit Page Name. Remove the old page name and type the new name you want. Once you finish typing, tap on Review Change. At the bottom, tap Submit for approval. Now, Facebook will ask for verification. Check the email connected to your page, you'll receive a code. If you don't remember your email, no worries. Tap Try Another Way, then select your WhatsApp number. Tap Continue, and you'll receive a code on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, copy the Facebook code, and paste it back on Facebook. Finally, tap Continue. Now you can see at the bottom a message, your name will be updated automatically if approved. If the name is not approved, just try again with a different name after a few days. And that's it, your page name is updated. Subscribe to Instant Guide. No fluff, just fixes.